All right, here is our second topic for Unit 9, Theoretical Probability. Here is your spicy video. We'll be in this upper right-hand corner where it says Theoretical Probability. We'll talk a little bit about what that means, and then we'll get into a couple examples. So probability is looking at the chance or probability that an event is going to occur. So what we do is we take the number of desired outcomes and divide it by the total number of outcomes. And if you remember back to the likeliness of events video, that is a probability that ranges from 0 to 1 or 0 to 100%. And we have some vocabulary that goes along with those events on whether or not they will occur. Jumping right into some examples, we have a 6-sided die that we're going to roll. We want to know the probability that it is not odd. So just so you remember, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the die. The not odd ones would be our even ones, so 2, 4, and 6. So I have 3 desired outcomes out of the 6 total. Now in IXL, it's going to ask you to specifically write it as a fraction, decimal, or percent, depending on the question. So I'm going to answer it as all 3 for this. I can simplify that down to 1/2, which as a decimal would be 0.5, and as a percent would be 50%. In this example, we have 3 cards to pick at random. We want a probability of a 2 or an odd. So here's our 2. I'm going to circle it. The odd ones I'm going to circle. I have 3 desired outcomes out of 3 total cards to pick from, which if I simplify that down is a 1, and as a decimal would be 1.0, and as a percent would be 100%. This is a certain event. In our next example, we have 4 cards to pick from. We want to pick the probability of a 1. So I'm going to circle a 1. So that's included as our desired outcomes. Next, we have a factor of 28, which I happen to know that 2 and 4 are both factors of 8, which means I have 3 desired outcomes out of 4 possible outcomes. That is my simplified fraction, so I'm going to go straight into my decimal, which is 0.75, and my percent would be 75%. Here's our last example. We have a 6-sided die again. I'm going to list out the possible options for us just so it's a little clearer. Okay, so we have 1 through 6. Probability that it is even, I'm going to circle my even ones, so 2, 4, and 6. And any number greater than 2, which would also be 3 and 5 of my non-circled ones already. So now I have 5 circled outcomes out of 6 possible outcomes. That is a simplified fraction, so we'll go straight to the decimal, which is 0.83 repeating. And if I multiply that by 100, it would give me an 83.3 repeating percent. This will probably ask to be rounded, probably to the 100th. I can't say for sure. I don't remember what the exact questions look like. But if that's the case, you would do 0.83 as your decimal and 83% as your percentage. So these questions are all on IXL, so head on over there. There are 2 separate ones to look at. There's F88, and then the second one is 8TP. Make sure you get a score of 80 on both of those.